Tired of endless emails and misleads? Let's transform your Kvcore website into a 24 hours customer service powerhouse with a Botpress chatbot. First, log into your Kvcore account and navigate to the Web and IDX section, usually found on the left-hand side menu. Next, find the Website Settings tab and scroll down until you see the area labeled Custom Header or Custom Body. This is where we'll be adding the Botpress code. Now, jump over to your Botpress account if you don't have one. Sign up, it's free to start once you've built and trained your bot. Go to the Integrations section or Channels, find the option to integrate with a website using an HTML snippet or JavaScript code. Copy the entire code snippet provided by Botpress. It usually starts with a script tag. This code is unique to your bot and allows it to function on your website. Return to your Kvcore website settings and paste the Botpress code snippet into the custom header or custom body area you found earlier. The custom body is preferable. Make sure to save your changes in Kvcore. This step is crucial for the chatbot to appear on your website. Finally, visit your Kvcore website to confirm the Botpress chatbot is visible and functioning correctly. Test it out with some common questions to ensure it's engaging with your visitors.